the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert, Jed Castles.
Kind of a stormy day yesterday across Oklahoma. Those storms that kicked in really got going and created severe weather. These are a lot of these pictures you see here down in the Frederick area, far south, southwest Oklahoma, down near the Red River, and they got blasted with wind. High winds, some hail, high winds, and also some heavy rainfall there. And also some flooding being reported from our trackers across parts of south central Oklahoma. You go down into the Pauls Valley area, down toward Duncan. We had some flooding issues there. And with the drought that's been in play, that creates very dry ground, dry conditions. That dry gets hard, so when all that heavy rain falls on top of it, that rain can't go in, so it all goes onto the roadways, into the fields, and makes it kind of sloppy for our possums and all of our friends that had to get out there and navigate those roads. Kind of some tough conditions there. Let's show you the storm reports from yesterday. And you can see they started in northwest Texas, rolled up across Oklahoma, kind of spread across Oklahoma. They really expanded from central northeast Oklahoma and then down near the Red River as that line expanded across the state. Some severe weather in Tulsa, also here in Oklahoma City, where we had some heavier rainfall totals up over an inch or two here in Oklahoma City. You look further to the south, you can see some of those totals there down around, say, Norman, down toward Pauls Valley and Ardmore, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 inches of rainfall. Also some heavy rainfall over in Seminole County. Saw a couple reports from Bowlegs and also Wewoka, where the rainfall totals got up close to 5 inches of rain. So we've had some heavy rainfall here the last 24 hours. Much of that now moving on out. Rain and storms shifting away from us, but still some showers extend northeast Oklahoma. A few of those down here in the central part of the state, but those are starting to scoot on by and starting to shift off to the east. Still some rain, a few showers near Cushing. Got a few showers down around Tribby and Winnett. That's about it. Rain is over, and here comes the fall air. I do want to show you the forecast the next 9 days. Very excited to show you this fall weather pattern that sets in. Look at these daytime highs coming up. 78 today, dropping to 65 on Saturday. Warm up back up some going into the middle part of next week. Then another fall front comes in, dropping us back into the 60s. So we've turned the corner out of summer. We're now truly into fall. Fall air is the story of the next 9 days. 67 out the door this morning as we look at live from our Norman Cam, part of our Lucky Star Casino Skycam network. A few clouds here at 9 o'clock, but skies will clear out. We're looking for a warm forecast today. 74 at 1 o'clock today. Should be close to 78 by about 4 o'clock today. Still at 50s in northwest Oklahoma, Clinton, Woodward, Alva, you're in the 50s. 40s out in the Panhandle near Guyman, and that's that cooler fall air that's kind of lagging. It's kind of taking its time, so we should still warm up today. Most spots, 70s and 80s, north winds, slowly killing out or creeping out that moving in that dry air and moving out that humid air, which still a little bit in place here out the door this morning, but it really sets in this evening and tonight as cooler air settles on in over across Oklahoma. 50s on the way. As we go into tomorrow, we'll really start to feel that fall air. 60s and 70s across Oklahoma. Gusty north winds on the way, and that drier air really punches in starting tomorrow. And that'll set up across Oklahoma for the weekend, allowing our morning lows to be kind of chilly. How about the lows for Saturday morning? We could drop all the way to 39 in Oklahoma City. Some 30s across north and east parts of Oklahoma, 40s and 50s south. So almost a freeze up in far northeast parts of Oklahoma as the chance of a first frost of the season is possible from an Alva, Enid, Stroud, Henrietta line across northeast Oklahoma. A little frosty there waking up Saturday morning, and Saturday's highs look cool from 60 Miami, 65 in OKC, close to 70 in the Clinton area. And that sets up what will be a great looking forecast for the OU Texas game down in Dallas if you're heading down that way. 58 pregame, 64 at kickoff, and in the 60s through the game. Bright sun, sunshine, and mild conditions all the way. And again, for the OU game looks great. OSU game Friday night looks great as well. Kind of chilly. Grab that jacket if you're going up to Stillwater there. 78 for your Thursday, 65 Saturday. Wind and some storms make a return heading into next week. That's a look at your 9-day forecast.